Guys, now we're playing Animal Sim, and the TV is so loud, and that is my pet. I'm floating underwater. If you do this, double-sworded floating in the water, and then my pet Godzilla 2021. He is the cutest Godzilla. So now let's go for some rest. Whoa, look at this. Kyrie, you rest in the other side. I'm here.
Kinakabahan ako na baka mamaya mali ako ng pag-push, baka hindi nyo magustuhan. Tapos, so yun, happy lang ako na happy ka sa result.
Yes, sobra-sobra. Wala akong pinagsisiyan.
Kasi wala naman na-release ang game.
Yep, let's go to your home.
Ano, ganito, pero sa kanya.
What? I'm feeling here. I'm going to show them again how to get in the Godzilla sound so fast. But I just hold on. Yep, I'm closer to the top. Here, boy. What is the number? No, our dogs. This is not school. Don't say. Tatawa na lang si Mari.
So yun lang mga pamangkin, no? Mag-start na nila ang aking vlog.
Yes, we're closer to going up. The TV is so loud. I'm up here. Why I keep lying? Now let's change our.
Sa live streaming, Doc Yapi.
Doc Yapi yan eh.
Doc Yapi. Shout out kay Baby Girl na sa bahay.
Wait, I wrong.
Again, thank you so much po. Siyempre kayo.
You girl.
So much sa lahat. Sa inyong support. Okay? Don't forget to brush your teeth and think about everything to make yourself always drink water, always drink that. Peace. Love you.
We're like you.
And don't forget to
Yeah, like and subscribe. Okay guys, wait me for a minute. I'm going to do something. Okay, auntie. Okay. So that's how I respect my family. So now I do have friends. My Godzilla does with me. My Godzilla is now with. Oh, he showed us.
Ang Sunday viewing habit ng pamilyang Pilipino. Ako po ang inyong kapuso, Jessica Soho.
This video now is
Followers na
gone.
po tayo sa
Nagka-leg
TikTok.
na. Bagsak pa lang
Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Yeah, now let's go for some video again. I'm sorry for those. Yep, it's almost full.
Ano ang nasa ilalim ng sinkhole sa Samar?
matagal ko na ito nare-record, almost 50 years na. Kining na ko sa Google Map kasi wala man akong idea kung saan banda talaga kinabang. Yun natin, mission mo, ma-document natin kung talagang gaano ito kalaki, gaano kalalim.
Look at the sword.
I'm going down there
Look.
to sinkhole now.
It's moving.
Kauna-unahang pagkakataon.
Dito na tayo.
Look with me.
Ang ganda.
Inang humihingi ng tulong dahil ang kanya raw anak may third eye na kailangan kontrolin.
Ay, di ko po yan napanood. Come on, get out. Kamay ko.
Sabi ko, hindi na ito normal, nasasaktan ng bata.
Ang kakaibang nakikita ng bata, nakunan pa raw ng litrato.
Hindi ko po nakita yung red lady. Why I love you.
Yan.
Parehong small but terrible. Pero ang talent sa pagsasayaw, tampuhala.
Marami po na magpa-picture po sa akin.
Mas naging proud ko po ako sa kanya, lalo na po ngayon, famous na siya sa TikTok niya.
Mahilig po ako sumayaw. Napanood ko lang po tapos.
Sikat na sikat ang dating sa sayaw.
Hindi ko, pati yung kapatid ng bunso, sumasayaw na din.
Ayan na.
Napapanood ko sa TikTok, hindi ko kayo fan yun. Ang galing.
So I forgot to say something. He is down there in that where I get those fruits. My Godzilla is sleeping in there, so we're still waiting for the sun. And just doing like our own ways to leave. Other guys does leave in night. Yep, laggy. Yep, Squid Game. That's not it. Come on, Sen, go up, Sen.
The sun not go up. It's gonna be a while.
Yeah, the sun's that's not going up. Just keep changing my weapon to cool weapon. Yeah, I like this weapon. And we're still full of sleep. What's that? What is that? Oh my god. What is that thing?
Run! Wait, I don't see everything. I don't see that.
Because it's gone. It's gone through the cave.
Not horrifying.
That is horrifying. Next time, let's explore. And I saw that
Just 10 hours
car.
later.
Yep.
Dad,
Yeah. Why I keep lagging, right? I keep lagging in this. Guys, sorry for the keep lagging, but you can watch all those videos still.
yep. I'm still sleeping. The sun is coming. The sun is coming. Just wait. And for 10 seconds.
It's not little. It's not coming, dude. I like green. The sun's not still coming up. I told you the sun would not come up.
The sun is coming. Just look. The sun. The sun.
Yeah, it's coming up. I forgot about that thing, huh?
May tatanong ka mo.
Then you saw me up. You saw me. You saw me, yeah. Go up through me.
But I'm sleeping.
Anong year ako nag-elementary?
You need to wake me.
I'm not still waking.
Quiet!
Okay, I'm still sleeping, still sleeping.
Hello! Aliyah!
We're sleeping, we're sleeping. Sleeping.
Sino nag-school?
We're
Wow, taray
sleeping.
ka, Charles!
War.
Nag-aaral siya
Oh,
eh.
she's here. Okay, buddy.
Sige na, be. Bye-bye. Sige na.
Okay, buddy.
Sige, sige.
see what we do. Okay. Now let's change up my face. Here's my face again.
Okay.
There.
Come on. Yep. Just wait.
Okay, yep. We're still waiting him. He's drinking his vitamins. Wee! Look at those! Those are the happy things. Let's go. Whoa, whoa, we almost fall in the water. Yo, that thing is almost falling down.
Where we going?
Drag me to the camp.
Go to the camp. Ayoko, shortcut. Let's do this. Haha. You wolf! We're gonna die. I wish you can die, wolf.
Yeah, that wolf
Ooh,
is called the Cerberus.
Cheese.
We found it in other video.
What cheese? I see a cheese.
What cheese? Oh, let me get that cheese. Okay, I have it. I'm riding to there. To the camp.
There's a Godzilla here. That's Godzilla.
There's a fake Godzilla. The real Godzilla is 2021, dude. This is the new release.
My name is Peter Parker. What the heck?
My name is Godzilla 2021.
I mean, no 2021 here. I see nothing.
Let's get some veggies. Why I'm laggy? I hate to be laggy. Everyone likes meat and veggies. Why I keep lagging? So guys, I'm ending the video. So I'm not ending the video.
This me no don't end it.
Yep, I'm not ending the video. Oh, come on. I am so laggy. Yeah guys, you cannot watch so early. You cannot watch because those are laggy things.
I lift you.
Okay, that's good.
Where you?
Now I'm laggy. Guys, for now, this end of the video, look, I'm lagging. So, bye. Say bye.
Bye, boy. You leave.